Hi everyone, I am YEE SHEAK TENG, metric number 270382. So now I'm going to present my individual assignment. The company that I'm choosing is Nestle. Nestle was the largest food and beverage company around the world, and Nestle has been nourished Malaysians with their premium brands and products while maintaining halal excellence and integrity since 1912. This is in line with the goal of releasing the power of food to improve the quality of life of today and future generations. Nestle was started their culinary product department to produce exciting culinary solutions under the popular Maggi trademark. This did Nestle establish the first manufacturing press in Malaysia. Today, there were 6 factories was operated by Nestle Malaysia with more than 5,000 employees nationwide and produced more than 500 halal certified products. Now, several brands and products of Nestle have become part of the generation of Malaysia's family. There were some popular brands in Malaysia such as Maggi, Nestle, Melo, and so on. Have been in the heart of the Malaysians and Malaysians over the century because Nestle was commitment to produce the higher quality, best nutrition and good stay, which suits their slogan, good food, good life. For receiving refers to the process of delivery, unloading and storing the inventory in the warehouse. It is important to ensure the stock count accurately to avoid stock out of that stock and to ensure that the inventory was stored in most efficiency and cost-effective way. There were X steps involved in receiving process, which were the product will deliver to the receiving area, and then the staff will check the product according to purchase order and purchase specification, and then they will check the delivery quantity according to the invoice and purchase order. After that, they will match the invoice price according to the purchase order price, and then they will sign the invoice if everything matched correctly. After that, they will allocate the delivery to appropriate storage area, and the process paperwork in accordance with operational standard operating policy and procedure. The material handling equipment in the receiving process is pallet and forklift. After that, put away. Put away refers to the process of moving delivered product from receiving area to the appropriate area. It is important to reduce risk of damage or misplacing the inventory to ensure that the space was used efficiently and to avoid congestion. There were 4 steps involved in put away process, which was unloading, counting, deconsolidating, final put away. And material handling equipment that used in put away process is forklift, palletizer, and depalletizer. For storage is an activity of sorting the inventory into the warehouse or logistics center. It is important to ensure that the inventory is safe-keeping and to ensure availability of product. There were 5 steps involved in storage process, which were site analysis, define storage solution, implemented the strategies on-site and installation completed. The material handling equipment that used in storage process is rack, mechanized, pallet inverter. For picking is a process of finding and collecting the product in the right quantity from storage in the warehouses to fulfill the customer order. It is important because it directly impacts the satisfaction of customer profitability and reputation of the company. There are 4 steps involved in the picking process. The first step, supervisor will assign pick task to the picker. Then the picker will travel to system suggested location and scan the location and pick requested quantity. After that, the picker moves the good to packing station after completed all picking tasks. The material handling equipment that used in picking process is pneumatic, robotic, layer picker, pneumatic vocal collect, voice picking system. For packing is a weapon process of packaged food to protect the goods from damage for distribution, transportation, storage, or marketing. It is important to ensure that the goods was delivered on the customer hand in good condition. There were 4 steps involved in packing process. The first is consolidate order, check the packing list, protect and pack, schedule and convey the pack order to shipping. The material handling equipment that used in packing process is belt conveyor and labeler. For shipping is a physical movement of goods from one place to another place. It is important because it influences the customer experience and to ensure that the product reaches to the customer in a good condition, right time and right quantity. There are 7 steps involved in the shipping process. The first one, importer request spotted and order product, and then freight forwarded arrange export, freight booking, product travel to international port or depot, product process through export custom clearance and placed in transit, product arrived buyer country for import clearance, product transported to the buyer from port. After that, the material handling equipment that used in shipping process is reefer, truck, side loaded, reefer, container.